Eugenio Garibay.
And we're going to explain some math problems in the final lab. I'm going to explain problem 83. So, if f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 5, and if hx equals 2x plus 1, find h3. h3 equals square root of 2 times 3 minus 1 because we substitute 3 with the x. So the answer is square root of 5. Problem 84 is the same as problem 83. If fx equals x squared minus 2x plus 5, hx equals square root of 2x minus 1, find h0. So h0 equals square root of 0 minus 1 because we substitute 0 with the x. And then we get minus square root of minus 1, which is I. Imaginary number. Now I'm going to explain problem 95. The cost of renting a car is $8 per day plus 20 cents per mile. Margie rented a car and paid $44 at the end of the day. Find the equation. So y equals 44. If y equals 44, the equation is y equals 20x plus 18. We can see that we need to solve for x. So we subtract 18 from both sides and get 26 equals 0.20x. Then we see that Margie traveled 130 miles and the rate of change is 0.20 because we see that it's 0.20 per mile. Now I'm going to do problem 106. Solve the linear equation by substitute method. We can see that y minus 4 equals 2x and y equals 2x plus 2. The y is already by itself here, so we're going to substitute here. 2x plus 2 minus 4 equals 2x. So we subtract 2x plus in each side and we get minus 2 equals 0. So this is an inconsistent linear equation.
Hi, my name is Loretta and I'm going to explain problem number 49. Well, first of all, this is a general trinomial and we start by factorizing 3x cubed plus 4y and 9x to the 6th power minus 12x cubed minus 16y squared. You factorize it, 3x cubed to a power of 3 plus 4y to a power of 3, and the answer is 27x to a power of 9 plus 64y to a power of 3.
Because you do the rule.
Because you do the rule of general squared trinomial. Okay, next question is number 60. It's 4m to a power of 4 plus 81. This problem can't be done because you can't factorize it. You can't factorize an addition of binomials because it stays the same and it doesn't have anything in common. This is problem 71. It's x to a power of 4 minus y to a power of 4. This is a conjugate binomial. First, you have to factorize it like that, and then x squared minus y squared. And since this is a conjugate, it has to be the addition stays the same, and this one you have to factorize it again. So it's x plus y and x minus y. This is the final answer.
Well, I'm Eugenio Garibay and I'm going to explain problems 118, 129 and 134. Our first problem, 118, we have to solve and simplify for real numbers and for I. As you can see, here is the problem, and what we have to do first is to do the negative sign in these parentheses. So when you do it, the answer is gonna be like this: 7 minus 3i minus 4 minus 2i. Then the only thing you have to do is to simplify with the common factors. So 7 minus 4 equals 3, and minus 3i minus 2i equals minus 5i. So the answer has to be a plus bi. Our second problem, 129. In this problem we have to solve for each equation, and the equation, as you can see, is over here, and the equation is a squared plus 3b equals y. First, we're gonna answer for the axis of symmetry, that equals negative 2.25. Then the vertex. The formula for the vertex is, as you can see here, negative b divided by 2a. Negative b is going to be negative 3, and a is going to be 1. So the solution for negative 3 divided by 2 times 1 equals to negative 1.5. So our vertex is going to be negative 1.5 and negative 2.25. Then we have to graph. The only thing for graphing is just placing the points that we have from the vertex from x and y, and then do the lines. And for our problem, and for our last problem, 134, what we have to do is solve by substitution. And here is the equation: 3x that equals negative 1 plus 9y, and the second equation is 3 that multiplies x minus 3y that equals 2. To substitute, we have to, like here, we have to put plus y in one side of the equation and plus y in the other. So the answer of the plus y is going to be 3x divided by 3 that equals negative 1 divided by 3 plus 9y divided by 3. So x is going to be negative 1 divided by 3 plus 3y. And then we can substitute, and it's going to be 3 that multiplies negative 1 divided by 3 plus 3y minus 9y that equals 2. And then you just select common factors and simplify, so the answer can be 0 that equals 3, and it's inconsistent. And that's all. Thank you.